Welcome back, children. So today we will study about adrenal gland. How many kidneys are there in your body? A pair, means two kidneys, one on the left, one on the right. Just above the kidneys, means on the top of the kidneys, two glands are there. That is adrenal gland. One on the right, one on the left kidney. Now this adrenal gland controls the emotional stress of the body. The body undergoes different type of physiological stresses. At that time, adrenal gland secretes the hormone adrenaline or epinephrine. So adrenal gland secretes adrenaline, or it is also called as epinephrine. Now, what is the Now, adrenaline or epinephrine is actually a stress hormone. This adrenal gland is also called as the gland of 3F. Now, what does this 3F mean? First F means fright. Second F means flight. And third F means fight. Now let me give you an example which will make you understand it easily. Supposing while returning home from school, on the way, as you are returning home, all of a sudden a dog comes barking at you. At that moment, adrenal gland secretes adrenaline in your body. As a result, your heartbeat increases, your respiration increases, blood pressure increases, and now your body is under a stress. What the body should do? The first act is the body, you will receive a fright. You will become scared. What to do? Then again, after next jerk of adrenaline secretion, you make a decision. You turn your back and start running. Or maybe you will decide that okay, you start gathering some stones which are lying on the ground on the road, and you prepare your body to fight the situation, to fight with the dog. If the dog attacks you, then you will throw a big stone towards it. So this condition, fighting condition, also is achieved by the secretion of adrenaline in your blood. So that is why at first instance you get frightened, hence it is called as the fright hormone. Then you take a flight, means you start running away from the situation. You get so much scared that you start running away to avoid the situation. That is flight. Or you can also stand there, get ready, and you are in a challenging mood. You want to fight off the situation. That is fight. For this reason, adrenal gland is also known as the gland of 3F. Now, supposing at home you are alone. It is night time, you are alone in a room, and you are watching a horror movie. With various sounds, various scenes, you get frightened. Why are you getting frightened? That is because as your eyes are visualizing some effect, that is a stimulus, which makes the secretion of adrenaline in your body. As a result, you are getting frightened. Sometimes you get so much frightened that either you switch off the television or you run out of the room to avoid the situation. That is flight. Okay, children? So these are various ways how the body responds to different situations under stressful condition. So this is all about adrenaline. The next hormone we will go through, the next gland we will go through is the testis. This is found only in the male. Testis secretes testosterone. Testosterone hormone secreted by the testis in males is responsible for secondary sexual characters. Like you must have seen in case of males, growth of mustache, growth of beard, the muscle starts growing, the body takes a V shape, the shoulders become broader, the waist portion becomes narrow, development of muscles are there, the muscles have various curves. So all this are because of testosterone, which is secreted by the testis. Now since testosterone is not there, is not secreted in female, so females don't have such type of body structure. So that is about testosterone secreted by testis. Finally, you come to ovary. Ovary, this gland, this is also a gland which is found only in females. Ovary secretes a hormone called as estrogen. Now this estrogen helps in development of secondary sexual characters in females. Right? There are different feminine characters like broadening or widening of the pelvis region, the waist region, development of mammary glands. Right? So these are secondary sexual characters which are found in female. So overall, we have learned about 6 different types of glands. Pituitary gland secretes growth hormone. Second, we did thyroid gland secretes thyroxine. Then third, we read about pancreas, which secretes insulin, glucagon. Fourth, we did about adrenal gland, which secretes adrenaline. Fifth, we did about testis, which secretes testosterone. And lastly, we did ovary, which secretes estrogen. Now, all these hormones, in the body are secreted at certain time of your growth, in certain quantity. Now, this timing, when it will be secreted and in what quantity, is regulated by a feedback mechanism in which the pituitary gland is involved and also other signals from the brain, from the central nervous system is also involved. Now let me give you one example. When you eat lot of sweet food, that is when you eat lot of sugary food, the blood sugar level increases. At that time, a signal reaches the islets of Langerhans in the pancreas to produce and secrete more and more insulin. When this happens, the blood sugar level falls. Once the blood sugar level falls, then another feedback mechanism is there which travels up to the islets of Langerhans in the pancreas and gives it the message, gives the signal that now you stop production of insulin and stop secreting insulin. Automatically, insulin production and insulin secretion is stopped. So this is called as feedback mechanism which is there in the body. In this way, different endocrine glands act and secretion of different hormones by different endocrine glands are controlled. Their timing and the quantity that is to be produced and secreted, everything is controlled. So this is how chemical coordination is brought about in animals. Thank you.